Subscribe to lavinlove and turn on the bell icon so that you never miss any of my updates when I upload a video.
Or until it dries. Then wash it off with lukewarm water. Like this cream contains extreme moisture which keeps your skin smooth and hydrated. Hi guys, welcome back to lavinlove. So today's video is all about another session of Beauty from Waste, a brown massage cream that does wonders to your skin. So we just need a couple of things for this. Firstly, extract from spoiled milk and coffee powder. If you want to know about this spoiled milk extract, click here to watch the video. Like if you have watched my video on beauty biscuits, you'll be knowing what actually is this. Like it's the continuation of that. And I have already made few videos with spoiled milk extract. You can check it out on I button or the links will be provided in the description as well. So let's get into the preparation of this cream. So here I'm adding approximately 1 spoon of coffee powder to 2 spoons of the spoiled milk cream. And mix it until you get smooth paste like so. Note, please don't take the instant coffee powder at all. It will definitely damages your skin. To use, apply this cream on your clean face. If you steam your face, it's well and good. And then massage it for 3 to 5 minutes and let it sit for 20 minutes or until it dries. Then wash it off with lukewarm water. Like this cream contains extreme moisture which keeps your skin smooth and hydrated. And it's more beneficial to dry skin as well. If used on regular basis, you're gonna see tremendous changes on your skin. Do give it a try. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope you'll enjoy this video. If so, give a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell and follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, where I'll be posting some interesting stuffs apart from this. Also check out my website. All the links are provided in the description. See you all in my next video. This is Lavanya winding up. Thanks for watching. Bye.